Good morning, students. I am Manjula Agarwal. Today we will discuss the chapter of class 10 Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. This extract has been taken from his autobiography. Nelson Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary political leader and philanthropist who served as President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the country's first black head of state and the first elected in a fully representative democratic election. He swears as the first black president of South Africa on 10th May 1984. The ceremony took place in the lovely Sandstone Amphitheatre in Pretoria. At that time, two national anthems were sung at that time. He addressed the rainbow gathering with a jest, telling that never again should it be that beautiful land would experience the oppression of one by another. He thanked the people who helped in Africans' struggle for democracy, the army officials who could have caught and put them in jail. Now they were saluting him to pay respect to the newly born democracy. He pays homage to the national martyrs of extraordinary courage, wisdom, and generosity that they have shown. South Africa is rich in minerals and gems, but the greatest wealth of the country is its people. If people learn to hate, they can be taught to love too. Man's goodness never exhausted. There are two obligations. First obligation towards his family, and second is towards his nation. When he became an adult, he joined African National Congress and fought for the freedom of his country. Now, the oppressor and oppressed are robbed of their humanity. In this way, how Nelson Mandela sacrifices his life to remove social inequality from the country. In short, we can say Nelson Mandela is courageous, self-sacrificing nature. He inspired countless people to devote their lives to peace, justice, and reconciliation. He will always be remembered for his struggle and leadership for freedom, equality, truth, love, peace, and justice. Thank you, students.